What's happening, y'all? Welcome into the channel today. So in today's video, I wanted to show you guys an updated video on what the VAI resort is looking like these days. It's definitely looking a little bit different. They got some stuff up, you'll see in the video here. I'll just cut into it now. And if you guys hang out for the second half of the video, I got some clips I shot about a month ago, just right before the Super Bowl. So as you guys can see, they got the monitors up. There are these huge screens on the side, and they cycle through different images and videos pretty much 24/7. It seems like, at least I see it every morning when I'm going to work, and then when I get home from work, the screens are always on. So it's nice. It's looking a lot different. They got all the windows in, and what's cool is I'm here in the parking lot over here off the property, and I don't want to say it's their first shipment because I don't know what shipments they've already gotten, but there's a little bit of the track for the roller coaster. A couple of semis here. I talked to the drivers here, just got done talking with them because, you know, they were interested in the drone as I was bringing it back. And sure enough, yeah, they said it was the roller coaster for the theme park over here. You guys can see the grounds kind of looks the same, still dirt and all of that. So maybe the next video, that part of it may start to take some shape, because there's going to be a massive 360 pool, and it's pretty impressive. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys this real quick. Try to get out here and just show you guys what's going on with it. If you enjoyed the video, hit that thumbs up for us, and if you're new here, consider subscribing. We do a lot of Arizona related stuff, Arizona adventures like hiking and stuff like that with the family, showing you guys what neighborhoods we like out here, just really highlighting how beautiful our state is out here in Arizona. But anyways, I appreciate you guys hanging out with me for a little bit. You guys have a blessed rest of your day. Peace.